I would like to share some of my thoughts on what kind of positives and what kind of learnings that we can take from the post-COVID era from a marketing perspective. We went through the same set of challenges that most brands went through from the inception of the pandemic, in terms of figuring out what should be a quick response mechanism, thereafter not knowing how long it will last, so how long does this response mechanism need to continue, and then trying to grasp or grapple with the changing consumer dynamics, because the way in which everybody is living has suddenly undergone a shift. So it's a massive lifestyle change, and it's on such a long term that it can actually become a habit. So all these factors have made this entire period very culturally very rich. The nature of impact that people are facing and the uniformity with which everybody is facing it together, almost at a global level, I think makes it a very very interesting case study. Our learnings we will divide into three parts. I'm calling it the 3 P's of pandemic marketing. It's panic, it's purpose, and it's precision. Let me explain them a little more. What happens when we panic? The reaction that the body gives at the time of panicking is actually one of your most genuine reactions, and it's a life-saving reaction. What you do in those moments defines who you truly are, and that's what most brands either were doing on their own instinctively or were doing it knowingly. There could be different ways in which people interpret it. So the fact that there has to be a certain amount of genuineness to your response, to your marketing, to your approach to consumers during any such period of pandemic is a very very clear requirement. And this also takes us to the second aspect, which is purpose. Now if you are truly a brand that is built and rooted into purpose, then your authentic nature in a time of crisis will come out in the form of various interpretations of that purpose. And this is where I feel a brand like Tupperware, for example, has a strong edge, because we have always been about developing a community, about building a community, about getting people to change their lives and empowering them, and giving them the confidence to change their own life. Even our brand line, More Time Living, we extend it as more time living for you, your family, and the planet. Everything that we do has to have a benefit for the people that we're associated with and the ecosystem that we are in. The entire pandemic time period, the COVID time period, actually brought out those elements from us as well, in terms of the kind of support system that we are providing to our distributors, to our ecosystem, to our stakeholders, and the kind of consumer marketing that we're doing in trying to help people deal with the situation in a more balanced manner. The third aspect of this learning is precision. Now what happens in these periods is that you loan resources. You have to do a lot more with the same set and probably a reduced set of resources that you have access to. This leads to a certain amount of ROI focus and a certain amount of building of your planning in a manner that every small little penny or every small little effort counts. Now this can only be achieved by being more and more precise with your marketing planning. Also, the digital era or the online era has taken a new meaning because of the COVID crisis. The number of people undergoing taking up transactions online, so in terms of the purchase journey, and then the kind of content consumption that we all do in terms of our brand journey, both of them are more and more residing in the digital world. And the benefit of that is that we can be more precise with who we are talking to, at what point of time are we talking to them, and with what message are we talking to them. So this entire approach to precision is another aspect which is a massive learning from this time period. So I would say that the whole idea of a new form of marketing called pandemic marketing can evolve in this period, wherein the 3 pillars would be panic, which basically implies authentic reaction, purpose, which means going back to your roots and doing what you really believe in, and precision in terms of reaching out to the right people at the right point of time with the right message. With these 3 aspects together, I think any marketeer can easily surpass any such situation in the future. Thank you.